Hello guys, welcome back to my channel TechPreneur, and in this video we are going to build a simple stopwatch in Python just to make it a little bit more fun to code. So first of all, we're going to need just one module. This is going to be time. So we want our stopwatch to run indefinitely. So while true, maybe just throw it in, try take an input from the user, like press enter, continue to exit, right? And then we also wanted the start time, because we actually wanted like the latest time from what stopwatch has started, and then they will calculate the end time, and then we are going to calculate how much time has been elapsed. So it's going to be time dot time. So time dot time, it gives the current timing, which is like 12:31 in here. So print timer has started, and then we need again a while statement, and then we're gonna actually print it like 1 second is elapsed, 2 second, 3 second, like that. We're gonna print it one by one. So this is it for this while loop. That's why we are using one more while loop. Time elapsed is equal to comma. We're just rounding off the values as of now. We're gonna need the current time, then we're gonna need the start time, and we're going to round off to 0th index, and then comma seconds, then end is equal to, because at the ending of that particular print statement we are going to go to the new line. Then we are going to need time dot sleep, because what will happen is if we don't give a time dot sleep, it's going to run indefinitely, and it's not going to be properly visible to us. That's why we are going to just give a time dot sleep for it, and then accept, because we actually want our this thing for our stopwatch to stop for this thing. With a keyboard interrupt, once we press Ctrl C, it's gonna come out of our loop, of the while loop, and then it's gonna print like how much time has been elapsed. So we need something like timer has stopped. Then also we need to calculate end time is equal to time dot time, because we need the ending time of it, and then print. Finally, we want to print the time elapsed is gonna be round off end time, because we want the ending time minus start time, and we're gonna round it off to 2, and then it's like seconds, right? And then come out of the loop. So hopefully a timer should run properly now. Let's see. Yeah, so it asks me, please enter to continue, and Control C to exit. We can press enter. Whoop, start time, maybe I've defined it twice. Oh, I forgot an is equal to. Run it again, press enter. Timer has started. 0 second, 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second, and again if I want to stop, I'll just press Control C. So the timer has stopped, and the final seconds at which the timer has stopped is going to be 8.33 seconds. So just to make a little bit fun, I just used this. So if you actually like this video, do subscribe, and if you actually want more fun videos like this, do let me know in the comments like what you guys want. Something fun with Python, just for fun. So just let me know in the comment section if you want any more videos like that. Thank you guys for watching.